we're supporting Black businesses all 2020 and for the rest of our lives, and that's on period.
Hey, it's me. Yeah. Hey, he say he wanna die.
Hey y'all, it's Daye and welcome to my channel if you're new, and if you aren't new, thanks for tuning into another video. I'm super excited because y'all, if y'all know me, y'all know I love supporting my people. Like, I'm gonna support a Black business. So over since June, I've been collecting different items, and it's not just clothing items. I'm gonna show y'all, but yeah, I'm just super excited for this video today because I just feel like if we don't support each other, you know, who's gonna support us? We could support these big corporations and all these other businesses, so have the same energy when it comes to a Black business. You feel me? So I have a whole bunch of different items. I'm just gonna get into it, y'all. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment down below if you have a business. Comment down below what was your favorite piece, and I'll link everything in the description box. So let's go. Okay, so first we're starting off with Sariye Designs. Okay, so my good sis Sarah made this for me. She just started up her business, so I'll link her Instagram down below, but she is very talented. My room color is black, white, and gold, so this fits perfectly. Smooth, like, y'all get into it. Like, details. Sis did her thing on this. So if y'all want anything similar, y'all could DM her on her Instagram. And yeah, I'm proud of her. Can't wait to hang this up in my room. I haven't hanged it up because I wanted to show y'all in this haul. But y'all, okay, next up I have this candle from Daye and Knight. One day on Twitter in the summer, that's when like the Black business, like you tag your Black business like down below on something, became really popular, and I was like, I love me a good candle. So I found this, I think she linked it down below, and I went on her website, bought it. I love fresh scents, so I got this in, what is it called? I think it's called Fresh AF. Yeah, this smells so good. Okay, don't mind how it looks because, focus, I forgot to cut the candle thing off when I was using it. And it has a wooden wick. I don't know if y'all are into candles like me, but wooden wicks are my favorite. I just like to hear it crackle, like, I don't know, it feels like I have my own little fireplace. So yeah, this smells so good. And her packaging was bomb. Like, her packaging was A1. So if you're into candles, go ahead and check it out. Next, I'm gonna get into like personal items, you know, items you can use. So I had to cop my girl Milan's makeup bag. I love this one. I'm gonna show y'all. Let me show y'all. Okay, so I feel like this is perfect when you're traveling because you could keep everything organized. So you could keep like your makeup in here and then turn it around. Keep your brushes and stuff in here. So it's perfect for traveling, just perfect if you just want to keep your makeup organized. And I've been looking for like a good makeup bag because when I travel, my bag is just, it doesn't have any compartments like this. So half the trip I'm looking for lashes, I can't find it. Don't wear my lashes. Then like the last day I'm there, I finally find it deep down in the bag, and it's just a mess. So I already know with this one, I'm gonna be so organized. I didn't put anything in there yet because I didn't want it to get like messed up before this video. But y'all, this is so cute. It's like marble design. Yeah. So tomorrow I'll be putting my makeup in here, and to be honest, this came from Canada and it had faster shipping than some places in America. I'm just saying. My girl, she ship out every day or almost every day, so great customer service. Y'all go check her out. Next up, I have this body scrub. It's from Persway Cosmetics. It's called Hydrate Me. Okay, yeah, it's called Hydrate Me. It's a peppermint tea tree body scrub. So I feel like if you have dry skin, this will be perfect for you. I don't have dry skin, but I love to keep my skin soft. like it could get a little softer, but doesn't want their skin soft. So after I put this on in the shower, it feels like so good. Like I don't even have to put on lotion. I feel like I'm on top of the world. But yeah, on her website, she also has like body oil. It has like a shimmer to it, so you could definitely glow. So yeah, go ahead, check her out. Different stuff on the website. So next up, I have Protect Your Crown Wave Body Cream. I have natural hair, and I use this as like to seal in my products. So after I apply all my products, I put this in at the end because this is like, let me see. It has natural African shea butter, coconut oil, grapeseed oil, vitamin E oil, olive oil, jojoba, how do you say this one? And black castor oil. So yeah, if you check out his page, you can see how people use it on their waves, how girls use it like on their natural hair. So if you want some, if you're interested, check it out. So now I'm gonna get into the clothing items, and since I already have this on, I guess I'll start with this company. Okay, I'm not sure if it's Syxx Brand because it's SYXX. I'm just gonna say Syxx Brand, and if I didn't say it right, please forgive me. But yeah, so I got this light blue jumpsuit. This is really cute. It's long sleeve, it goes all the way down. I feel like this is simple. You could dress it up, you could dress it down. I've seen people rock this with Air Forces. I've seen people rock this with heels, you know, so versatile. I just love me a good jumpsuit because as long as your makeup and your hair is done, like boom, there's your outfit. You don't got to think too hard about it. Just add accessories and boom. So next up, we have Pressed by Pink. Y'all, this is my roommate slash sis slash friend boutique. So y'all already know how I'm coming. Her website is very affordable, so y'all go check her out, please. But yeah, this is one of my favorite things on the website. This is comfy. You can wear it out. It's twerkable. It's twerkable. Yeah, this is so cute. And I like the little raunch. It's a little raunchy. So make your body look good. And you can wear it up. You don't want to show no cleavage. You can wear it. This is giving me like motorsport vibes. Or you can wear it down. Like the other jumpsuits, you can dress this up, dress this down. Yeah, let's get into it. Y'all better go support my girl like right now. Right now. Okay, so this is another piece by Pressed by Pink. Depending on when I upload this video, this piece may or may not be on the website. It's a part of the new collection, but y'all look at this, like. But the detailing on this is just so nice. I like the little stripes, little pocket. I can't wait to wear this out. This is just, yeah, I just feel like a little baddie in this. As you can tell by now, I love me a good jumpsuit, like. So lastly, by Pressed by Pink, I have this cute little crop top. But yeah, at least this one is not a jumpsuit, something different, but it's cute. But yeah, I think this is just a cute little simple shirt. You could just throw it on whenever. This material is very breathable. It's not too thick, not too thin, just right. So perfect for the summer. So yeah, I love this. Alright, so we got Lito Streetwear, y'all. This is my homeboy's line. You might know him on YouTube as Carlito Films. I don't know what y'all know him by, but this shirt is popping, y'all. The letters are embroidered, so it's not going nowhere. Because I hate when I wash a shirt and the letters come off. I just hate that. So I already know. Secure. This is a small, but it has room. Like, it's not tight. So it's roomy, comfy. Material's great. So y'all go ahead and cop my boy's shirt. You can pair this with anything. Like I have on cargo pants right now, biker shorts, jean shorts, a skirt, leggings, anything, like anything. So y'all go check it out. Okay, so next up we have Wrldinvsn, I believe that's the name of this company. I'm gonna put it somewhere up here. So I just Their marketing skills is A1 because I see it everywhere. I see it on Facebook, I see it on Twitter, I see it on Instagram, so I just had to get it. So it just says, what's it supposed to say? Trust your vision, and it has their little logo right here. So I just like the message. Like, and what I tell you, I like a good graphic t-shirt. But yeah, it's just a cute, breathable shirt. This small, it's pretty big. Not even gonna lie, I like scrunched it up, but yeah. But yeah, check them out. I have another shirt that I'm about to try on, so let's get into that one. This is another shirt from Wrldinvsn. This just has, you know, their name on it. These go perfectly, like, y'all gonna see me on the gram with this little fit. But yeah, but back to Wrldinvsn, their customer service is A1 because the people that deliver my packages back in Houston, if they deliver once and nobody's home, they just take it back. So they took my package back, so I never got my delivery. So yeah, they sent me a gift card to reorder or repurchase my t-shirt. And you know, some companies would have been like, you know, it's out of our hands once we ship it off. But the fact that they did that, I was like, let me get 2 shirts. Okay, so next up, I have this graphic t-shirt from Brokeboyhouston. Love the Houston vibes. Baseball, Astros, you already know what's up. Screw. Y'all already know the vibes, like. And then they have different cities down here. That's in Texas. Like different cities and counties, because I see they have Mo City all day. If you don't know, I'm from Houston, Texas. Mo City all day. And yeah, I just like this. Let me show y'all up close. Like, and this shirt is like really good quality. So this like sleeper romper, I got it from Shop Exquisitee. Me and my girls, we had like a slumber party or whatever, and I needed something cute to wear, you know, something cute, something pink. And I stumbled upon this and I really like it. This is not cotton material though, it's more like a sporty, I don't know what this is called, but it's cute, y'all. It's cute. It has little butterflies. But check out her page, y'all. This is real cute. And shipping was fast. Shipping was like in 2 days. I got this real quick. We love a quick shipper, okay? So for my last item, I have this cute swimsuit from Exotic Apparel. Y'all, she did what she had to do. Like, this design is so cute. I can't wait to wear it somewhere. So cute. So I'm gonna give y'all a little peek at the bottoms with. Y'all got everything that y'all need to see. Y'all, this design goes hard, like. But yeah, I don't think she has a website yet, but you could definitely DM her if you want one of these or something else. I could go look on her page, but y'all, I love this. Okay, so I have these cute waist beads by Afia Adornaments. Girl, if I messed that up, please forgive me. But so I forgot to include these in the haul, and I don't feel like taking off my clothes, so I will put a video when I was rocking them. But I just got mine in the color of the Jamaican flag: green, black, gold. Y'all, and I have an anklet to go with it. Like, you can tell me nothing. And it came in this pouch, so I can keep it in there and I won't lose it. But yeah, I need to go order some more so I can have different colors. But check her out, definitely. You could tell her any color that you want. She could hook you up, okay? So check her out. So yeah, that concludes my haul. We're supporting Black businesses all 2020 and for the rest of our lives, and that's on period. Like, if you're not supporting a Black business, what are you doing? Like, what are you doing? But yeah, I just love seeing my people win. I love seeing my people prosper, and there's no reason why we can't be at the top too. So, but yeah, if y'all want a part 2, I could definitely do that. I'm real big on Black-owned stuff, so that would be no issue. Make sure you like, subscribe, leave a comment down below. What was your favorite piece? Y'all can leave anything, any questions, anything. I'll answer it. Thanks for watching little old me. I will see y'all next video. Bye.
All my diamonds shine, cause they really diamond.